At least we know it's gonna be a good knife. I always cut myself on the best knives. I'm gonna go get a Band-Aid. Thought it'd be like a Billy Mays joke right now.
May he rest in peace.
May he rest in peace.
Hi, Billy Mays here with the brand new Damascus blade. Damascus blade is so powerful, you're not even gonna know what cut you. Look at all these layers.
Maybe we can do the ShamWow guy too.
Hey guys, check it out, I got Damascus, it's really cool, it's got a lot of layers in it, you can stay with it, you can cut, you can laptop.
Instead of welding, you should just flex seal the Damascus. Hi, I'm Phil Swift, and today we've got all of this metal right here, and we're gonna weld it with flex seal. We're just gonna spray it on the edges and watch it never come apart. And then as we forge it out, it'll just be one solid billet.
I think it's heavy.
Yeah.
Jeez. That's heavy. It honestly feels about the weight of a sledgehammer. But just for comparison.
Just fits.
Oh hey, well I've got you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and also hit the bell notification button. We're going to be going live pretty soon, and we'd like y'all to check it out. Thanks guys. It's ready. Piece of Damascus. My 12-ton press is it's getting it, but it's making it work. We need to figure out what kind of handle that we're going to use. So I've looked at some of my wood blocks that I have, and there's not really much that I'm really just happy with. I did find this. It's old cow bone that I found. Yeah, I think that's the one. That looks sweet. Start forging the tip and the blade profile. We're going to work it down towards a good even length. I want to hit about 16 to 18 inches for the blade length itself. I'm going to mark out on my other anvil exactly where that's going to look like. We'll keep going from there.
thinking about it, if you really enjoy our videos, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel and ring that bell notification. It really helps our channel. Also, leave a comment with what you'd like to see us create. You never know if we're going to pick it up and run with it. I'm just going to Google for you real quick because Google is king. Bowie knife. It's a fighting knife. Here we go. The overall length of a bowie can be anywhere from 12 to 30 inches. The overall length. The blade length can be 5 to 24. Typically what you would see would probably be about an 8 to 10 inch blade with about a 4-inch handle. For this one, we're gonna go for probably closer to the 24-inch length overall. The Bowie knife was a big fighting knife, and that's probably why so many people were scared of Jim Bowie when he ran around with it. Oh, cool. Don't tell me you're about to like the big one with the little one. Yeah. sizzling. That process will actually soften it. Sounds like a blaster battle from Star Wars. Don't worry, they're not very accurate. Now we're going to set up our redneck mill. Notched the shoulders where the tang slips through, and then the shoulders are right before the ricasso. That way when I slip my tang on, it locks in, and then when we press it in, there's no light. So it'll look 100% sealed in there, which would be pretty awesome. That's just so pretty, dude. And now we buff it. It's easy to cut paper, but how many people are actually going to stand behind their work and actually test it? Look, clear through the bone. That went through the chicken effortlessly. I picked a part of the chicken that had some bones in it too. It went straight through the bone. That was awesome.
Well, that was easy.
Yeah, that was easy.
Just to make sure it's still sharp.